Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another It's For Y'all swap review number 8. Okay? Yes. And this next artist that I am going to be featuring today, her name is Trish Collier. And Miss Collier sent her pack, and her package came in this box. So I'm going to pull all her contents out. But before I get started, I want to say, Trish, thank you so very much, Queen, for allowing yourself to walk in your gifts and talents, and also for participating in this swap. This is Trish's first time participating in this swap. And also, I want to thank you for being a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. So, I got all her contents out. Okay. And now she has to swap mate. I'm not sure if you want me to read the card that you have for the recipient, because sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Let me see, do you have anything else here? I know she have a card for me, so let's look and see what she has. And this is a beautiful card. Friendship doesn't always wait for special days. This is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Just a card to let you know how much your friendship means, how often you're thought about, and how happy I am that we're friends. Oh, this is so beautiful, Trish. Thank you so much. Thank you for your words of inspiration. Oh, you're so very welcome, Queen. I'm honored. I thank the Most High. I honestly do. I take no credit for the things that I do, y'all. I'm just following and being obedient. So thank you so much for this beautiful card. And she has 2 items. She has 2 items here. So she has one. Okay, she has one for me and one for her swap partner. Okay, so I'm going to open up mine first. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Trish. I greatly appreciate it. I'm trying not to rip the paper, y'all. Just trying to slide it out. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this container, y'all. Be your own beautiful. Wow. This is really nice, Trish. Thank you so much, Queen. We greatly appreciate it. Oh, I appreciate this gift. All right, so I'm going to open it up. She said, thank you for your beautiful soul. Oh, you're so very welcome. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow, look at these, y'all. Look at these earrings. This has fall written all over it. These are gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Nice and long. Wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome work, Trish. Awesome. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so very much, Queen. Wow. Gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get to the main event, which everything is a main event, okay? So here we go. This is for the swap partner. And I love these containers. These containers are gorgeous, Trish. Beautiful containers. So I'm going to try to do this one the same way I did mine without tearing it apart. But that's the only way I can open it. And I want to slide it out from the side if I can. Yeah, I'm just going to push it like that. Oh, wow. These containers are really cute. Be your own beautiful. You don't have to say anything else because this says it enough. This is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Here we go. Thank you for your beautiful soul, swap partner. So this is the message that she's sending to her swap partner. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is a necklace. Wow, do y'all see this? This is different. I love it. It's a necklace. The leaves and all of that on here is gorgeous. It says fall, but it's just a simple fact that it's, look at this, y'all. It's long enough for you to tie it. Lay it down so you can see these beautiful colors. Look at that. It's long enough for you to tie it, and these hang down. Gorgeous. This is an out of the box. I just said that in a previous video. Thinking outside of the box will keep you ahead of the game, y'all. Definitely right here. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Queen, for participating. Trish, for participating in this swap and for being a blessing to one of the other queens here in the group. Y'all are getting some really beautiful, awesome items. Okay, y'all. So with that being said, I am going to make sure that if I have any information on Trish, as far as her business or the name of her company or email address, I am going to leave everything in the description box. So yes, I'm going to leave everything in the description box. If I don't have any information, I will leave my email address. You can reach out to me and I will reach out to her. So I want to thank all of y'all for watching today. Have a wonderful and awesome evening. Once again, Trish, thank you so very much, Queen, for participating in this swap. We greatly appreciate you. And everyone have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.